Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Gemini AI. First, you'll want to understand the fundamental concepts behind large language models. Then, access the Google AI Studio platform, which provides a user-friendly environment for development. Explore the various pre-trained models and tools available to kickstart your project. This initial step is crucial for grasping the capabilities and setting the stage for your custom AI creation. Next, let's get your project set up. Begin by creating a new project within Google AI Studio. This provides a dedicated workspace for your work. Crucially, you'll need to generate an API key for secure access, which acts like a digital key to unlock the AI's power. Finally, install the necessary client libraries for your preferred programming language, often just a few lines of code. Now, the art of prompting. Design clear and concise prompts to guide the AI toward your desired outputs. Think of it as giving precise instructions. Experiment with various input formats and provide examples to help the model understand your intent. Don't be afraid to iterate on your prompts, making small adjustments to refine the model's responses until they are exactly what you need. Finally, it's time for integration and refinement. Seamlessly integrate the Gemini API into your application using the client libraries you installed earlier. Thoroughly test your AI model with a wide range of scenarios to ensure it performs as expected. Continuously monitor its performance and make iterative adjustments to your prompts or model parameters for optimal and consistent results.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.